Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install the Toca Boca application on your smartphone. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store depending on your device. And once you open it up, just tap on the search button and then type in Toca Boca and start your search. Once you find the Toca Boca World application, just tap on it and you will now see the install button. Tap on the install button and this will begin the download and installation of the Toca Boca World application on your device. Just wait for a while until the installation is completed, and once it is done, you will be able to tap on the play button in order to start up the game right away. After you open it up, you can proceed forward with logging in to your existing account or sign up to create your new account to start playing the game right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install the Toca Boca game on your smartphone. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.